Welcome back to Chasing Trophies. And how do things change overnight, man? Last few weeks से हमको यही लग रहा था कि साई सुदर्शन इंडिया के लिए वन डाउन खेलने वाले हैं टेस्ट सीरीज में इन श्रीलंका. उनका बैकअप देवदत्त पाटिकल है एंड सरफराज कोई नजर में नहीं आ रहे थे, कोई इक्वेशन में नहीं दिख रहे थे. फिर उसके बाद साई सुदर्शन की इंजरी मतलब मेड हिम रूल आउट ऑफ द सीरीज. लास्ट मिनट तक उसको ट्राई कर रहे थे रखने के लिए, बट नाउ ही इज रूल्ड आउट. एंड देवदत्त पाटिकल शतक भी मार दिया. आई थिंक और कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया कि चलो ठीक है, साई को रिस्क नहीं करेंगे, लेट्स प्ले देवदत्त पाटिकल. एंड उसके बाद आवाज आ रही थी कि यार शायद गायकवाड आएगा या कोई और आएगा. एंड सरफराज की बात उतनी नहीं हो रही थी, पर एकदम से they've got Sarfaraz. Now, is he life or like? Will he play one down? I don't think so. I think Sarfaraz को रखे because of his performances, because he's knocking down the door. And उसको आप या वन डाउन भी खिला सकते हैं या जुरेल के जगह में भी खिला सकते हैं, लेकिन एटलीस्ट he's in the squad over there. Fez is joining me as well. Fez, like just like 2 weeks ago, we probably thought Sai Sudarshan was in the 11, Sarfaraz was nowhere to be found, and Devdutt Patikal was going into the series as a backup, and now he might be India's most important player going into the Sri Lanka series.
Yeah, 100%. Why, like, I mean, if you look at that game against Sri Lanka Cricket 11, उसका 142 की जो importance है बहुत ज़्यादा carry करी in the whole context of the result and stuff. And देखिए, I think Devdutt Patikal, we've not just seen him in red ball but white ball also. IPL रहने दो या even domestically he's been crazy. Karnataka के captain है, and he took them till the final. I mean, they lost the Ranji Trophy final, but he had 700 runs in that, and he's just been grooming in confidence by in series after series. Let it be the IPL also, we saw what importance in that transition that we saw. Rajasthan में भी हम देखे थे उनको, and all of these things, like he wasn't looking that crazy, but जिस तरीके से he worked on his game technically also बहुत ही sound दिखते हैं. BGT में भी उनको first test में लाया गया था 24 में, and from there onwards, like yeah, he didn't get a stretch of games, but ऐसा है कि भाई they do recognize his talent and the technical uniqueness that he possesses. For him, coincidentally or unfortunately for Sai Sudarshan, but fortunately for him, Sai Sudarshan getting injured, getting sidelined. Sai Sudarshan का ये भी एक wide injury prone दिख के नजर आ रहे हैं. Like he's been not being able to grasp on those opportunities and stuff, and hopefully for his own sake that he managed to get back to his form. But yeah, Devdutt Patikal right now is looking incredible, and I think Sarfaraz Khan के लिए you have to clap, I think, and appreciate that. जब टाइम आएगा भाई, like instead of getting frustrated, हजार स्टेटमेंट देने से अच्छा है भाई मुंह बंद करके अपना बैट चलाओ. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट ही हैज बीन डूइंग इन लाइक मुंबई में. तो भाई वी ऑल नो व्हाट अ लेजेंड दिस गाय इज. लाइक आप कितनी बार हमारे को बोल चुके भाई 60 की एवरेज कैरी करते हैं ये डोमेस्टिकली, एंड व्हेन यू कंपेयर दैट टू द गाय हु इज अहेड ऑफ हिम, Devdutt Patikal, and the guy who is immediately ahead of him, Sai Sudarshan, he's still ahead of both of them. And that just shows you what greatness the guy has in the red ball format. अब मिलता नहीं है, मौका नहीं मिलता है, that is like for me ठीक है if and go, but happy to see him just being involved. Like BGT में लीकेजेस की रिपोर्ट आए तो मुस्तफा भाई अपन को तो समझ में, because I still don't believe ऐसा कोई रिपोर्ट 100% है. अब वो सुनी सुनाई बातें हैं, कहाँ से आई ये रिपोर्ट्स हमारे को पता नहीं, बट अब उसके बाद आप उसको वापस लेके आए, एटलीस्ट दैट जस्ट गिव्स मी होप दैट दिस गाय स्टिल हैज अ फ्यूचर इन इंडियन क्रिकेट, एंड दिस गाय इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. अगर यहाँ पे जैसे आप बोले, he can bat 4, he can bat 5, he can bat 6, that gives you a lot of help wherever you need. Agar collapse hota hai to he can stand in. We saw that with Virat Kohli in Bangalore against New Zealand. So he has he has all the makings of a great test cricketer. We just hope that India finally recognizes that and gives him an opportunity, maybe not the first but hopefully in the second test against Sri Lanka.
Yeah, I think the main thing abhi with age and maturity, he's learned कि भाई I have to just keep on improving. पहले क्या था, he used to feel bad for himself, and obviously like who wouldn't feel bad? आप इतने रन मार रहे, हर मैच में 100 मारे डोमेस्टिक में, फिर भी आपको नहीं ले रहे. So he used to get frustrated. You used to see his tweets were a bit salty, but now what he's doing, he's trying to improve himself. The amount of weight that he's lost in the last 1 year since being dropped right after the BGT, I think that has been remarkable. He's worked on his fitness, he's worked on his batting, so it's not like he's just trying to prove a point in anger or anything. He's understood maybe there are certain aspects where I can still improve to make it into the team. And ये बात यार 10-15 साल पहले हो चुकी थी कि जब विराट कोहली उसको बोला you have to work on your fitness, he probably thought नहीं यार मेरे runs आ रहे हैं, and like the male ego situation. Also it could be that personal, it could have been difficult also to lose the weight. Maybe now there is more like it's a bit easier now, maybe it's a bit different now, maybe age, maturity, whatever it could be. I think he's really worked on that. He's improved his fitness, which is a very important thing that will allow him to play longer. It'll allow him to play longer innings also. So उस हिसाब से I think he's done a great job कि अपने गेम पे काम करते रहो। मैं उसकी आज फोटो देख रहा था विद हिज डैड एंड ही लुक्स मच
Yeah,
fitter than he was like a year ago, and
yeah.
if you compare it to 10 years ago, so he looks super fit, and it's really good that he's looking to work hard, and he hasn't given up, because in these kind of situations sometimes you just let go. I remember a Majumdar, like this guy, उन्हें तो हर मैच में मुंबई के लिए रन मारा था, मगर उसको जगह ही नहीं बनती थी बिकॉज ऑफ इंडिया की जो 11 में ड्राविड, लक्ष्मण, ये वो सब थे, तो it
Mhm.
reminded me of that. But Sarfaraz, I think, now has broken down the door, and like you said, I don't think it doesn't really matter if he gets the slot or not. He deserves a place in the squad, and the way Indian cricket goes, I know it's just a 2-match series, but if you keep him from now up until the end of the BGT, I think he will get chances. लेकिन वही सवाल है मेरा कि will the management back these players, because India also has a pretty big test schedule coming up. You have the 2 tests
Yeah,
against Sri
yeah.
Lanka, then you have 2 against New Zealand, and then 5 against Australia. It's
5
going to be
against Australia.
conditions as well. And I think if not for New Zealand, I think the one in Sri Lanka and the one in India against Australia, वहां पे Devdutt Padikkal, Sarfaraz के contribution was important रहेंगे. New Zealand will probably look towards Rahul, Shubman Gill, and Rishabh Pant, but यहाँ पे these two be crucial, right, in these kind
Yeah.
of.
Yeah, and I think जिसको भी वहाँ मौका मिला न्यूजीलैंड पे, अगर वो बना दिया तो भाई फिर I mean if hopefully सरफराज gets the मौका there and he proves कि भाई बाहर भी, because इंग्लैंड में हम देखे 90 प्लस मार चुके हैं वो, so if he does, but yes I think domestically जहाँ पे जो अब फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट की हम बात करें, like we said सरफराज is ahead of both of these guys and we're expecting कि एक आध भी मिल गया उसको मौका and he makes sure कि भाई वो 7 games में इसका एटलीस्ट इंक्लूजन तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रहना ऑस्ट्रेलिया के स्क्वाड में. But again for me also one of the most things that we all call out is his dad's having him the way his dad trained him as well. Like his dad always is behind his back, and we should give a shout out to his dad and his brother as well. I'm pretty family ka support jo mila hai unko. And I remember the India England series also jo ho raha tha, he went into the crowd, he was watching from outside as well, so they were learning. I think it's also important कि जो आपके कान में क्या बोलते वो टाइम पे, whose criticism you listen to, whose feedback you listen to, whose advice you listen to, is also very important. And I think Sarfaraz dad's played an instrumental role obviously in his whole career, but also in getting through this phase of weight loss, and he coaches him himself, so that shows you like in-house जो मेंटालिटी है पूरे घर वालों की कि भाई बात कर लें दो, अपने को अपने पोटेंशियल मालूम, अपना टैलेंट मालूम, अपन अपना मेहनत करेंगे, देने वाला ऊपर वाला है. एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वी आर सीइंग राइट नाउ. एंड ये मुंबई वालों का तो अलग चल रहा मसला भाई. वहां पर से रोहित शर्मा का भी फोटो दिखाया हमारे को, लाइक खतरनाक था वो. लाइक पूरे मुंबई वाले एकदम ऐसा लग रहा है जो गंभीर और अगर से घसरे फिल वक्त वेट लॉस ट्रांजिशन में है राइट नाउ.
Yeah, then वही है कि I think in a way it's good कि like आप you're still looking, you're pushing your limits to try and get into the team, which is great to see. साई सुदर्शन का थोड़ा सा like अभी लक्ष्मण भी आके कुछ क्लैरिटी दिए कि सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस में कोई मिसकम्युनिकेशन नहीं हो रही है, देयर इज लाइक अ क्लियर लाइन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन एवरीथिंग. बट ये इसलिए आई थिंक बात हो रही है बिकॉज साई सुदर्शन was not fully fit. उसकी इंजरी हुई थी इंडिया ए गेम में, श्रीलंका ए का जो टूर था. फिर वहां पे आप क्लैरिटी दे देना था ना सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस. आई नो दैट आप, मगर मैं सुन रहा हूँ कि प्लेयर्स, आपको अगर एक प्लेयर चाहिए इवन इफ ही इज इंजर्ड, यू ट्राइंग द बेस्ट टू गेट हिम इनटू द टीम, लाइक साई सुदर्शन, लाइक जसप्रीत बुमराह, और इवन लाइक हर्षित राणा. आई थिंक so this is the problem. I think there is no clarity between central excellence and the selectors and the players, and maybe the players also know कि भाई अगर हम नहीं खेले तो अपनी जगह जा सकती है. And unfortunately Sai Sudarshan is not there, but it should have been this should have been announced way before, right? Like instead of one day before, like 1 week before the test series, it should have been announced before the squad was announced कि भाई उन्हें नहीं है available. Because what changed over the next 3 days, like जब टीम अनाउंस हुई 5 दिन के बाद उन्हें अनफिट हो गया, बुमराह भी अनफिट हो गया, तो what really changed? तो ये थोड़ा सा इशू चल रही है इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम में, जहां पे player, even if he is injured, the management and everybody, they're trying their best for him to play rather than going to the other option who is fit.
Yeah, 100%. I think वही, and you have to question like you said, like आप अगर स्टेटमेंट डाल रहे हो कि कोई गिच्ची नहीं है तो फिर इतनी बड़ी गिच्ची कैसे चल सकती है. 2 प्लेयर के असेसमेंट एकदम 3 दिन में कैसा चेंज हो जाते हैं over a couple of 72 hours. So that is there. I mean, even Lakshman has mentioned that we're trying to find a head of sports medicine and stuff like that for the COE. Nitin Patel, I think, जो थे former, वो चले गए बाद से. They try to get 2 more people, like Australian and New Zealander. He'll not name them, but they both backed out saying कि हम नहीं आ सकते Bangalore and consultant role दे दो हमारे को. But अभी फिलहाल there is some kind of a void there that they require some kind of head of sports science or something, sports science and medicine or something. So that's what the COE is looking for. But Yeah, there is a lot of times that अपन देखते भाई fitness test हो रहा, bronco test भी ला लिए, bronco test भी होने वाला है before a tournament. I think they're not going to take the beep test, they're going to take the bronco test. तो अब वो भी एक चीज आ रही है कि धीरे धीरे आपको ये इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम का रुख in terms of how they assess fitnesses भी change होते हुए नजर आ रहा है.
Yeah, I think we'll keep a close eye on that because मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है यार सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस, एनसीए था सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस, आपके इतनी इंजरीज हो रहे, पहले वो इंजरीज क्यों हो रहे, लाइक इनकी डाइट्स या इनके एक्सरसाइजेस क्या हो रहे, व्हाई आर द प्लेयर्स गेटिंग सो इंजर्ड, स्पेशली फास्ट बॉलर्स आपके फिट क्यों नहीं है, फिर उसके बाद अगर फिट नहीं है तो फिर आप वो क्लैरिटी क्यों नहीं दे रहे हैं कि भाई उन्हें नहीं रह सकता स्क्वाड में. तो ये सब चीजें हैं जहां पे उन लोग को काम करना पड़ेगा, एंड मे बी द बीसीसीआई एंड द सेक्रेटरी एंड दीस गाइज विल हैव टू टेक अ कॉल ओवर देयर बिकॉज मे बी इट्स देयर काइंड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट टू हैव दैट कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन द COE and the Indian team. But for now, it looks like Devdutt Padikkal will be starting at one down in the Test series against Sri Lanka 15 August को, वो 11 में होगा, and hopefully wishing him all the best, wishing the Indian team. We'll do more videos regarding that series and previewing that series. So thank you, Faiz. Thank you everybody for joining. If you could just hit the like button, subscribe button, and drop us a comment, it will really help us. Let's get